Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Thelma, and in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you my Bofrot or puff recipe. I've been so excited about sharing this recipe with you guys, so let's get started. So I'm going to begin by showing you my ingredients, and you don't need a lot of ingredients for Bofrot. This is all-purpose flour, nutmeg, salt and yeast, and white sugar. You can use brown sugar, and that's all you need. So we'll begin with activating our yeast, and I'm going to activate 1 tablespoon of yeast with half tablespoon of sugar, and then you pour warm water. Guys, the water must be warm, tepid, not hot, not cold either. If it is hot, you will kill the yeast, and if it is cold too, the yeast will not be activated. So use tepid water, and I'm just going to cover it up for about 5 minutes, and voila, it has proofed very well. The foamy part on top shows that the yeast is activated. So if you do not get this result after 5 to 10 minutes, you need to discard that yeast. So we are going to begin by putting our all-purpose flour in the bowl. And I'll be adding 3 tablespoons of sugar. You can always adjust the sugar to your preference. I don't give limitations. Please enjoy Bofrot or puff the way you want. Adjust the sugar to your preference. And then my nutmeg and salt. People use cinnamon in place of nutmeg, but the traditional way is to use nutmeg. So I'm going to give everything a good stir and add the activated yeast. I'm now going to be using my hands to mix everything up. Guys, please make sure your hand is very well washed. So I'm going to mix everything, and I'll be adding a little more water to get the consistency I want. So I'm going to be adding a little more of the tepid water. So at this level, you can add as much or as little water as you want. Just make sure that your paste is not too thin and it is not too thick either. You're going to add the water according to how hard or soft you want your Bofrot to turn out. I like my Bofrot very soft, so this is the consistency that I'm going to go for. After I get my preferred consistency, I'm just going to cover this up and put it in a warm place for 30 to 45 minutes. And this is how much our dough has risen. It has risen to almost double of the original amount. So I'm just going to let out some of that air from the dough and beat it up a little more. After this, you're ready to fry. So you keep beating it till you are sure that you have let out most of the air, and then we are ready to fry it. So this is how I mold my puff. Guys, a lot of people are gifted in molding puff, but I try, and I tried to insert this to show you guys how I mold the puff. It must be deep fried, guys. No shallow frying in Bofrot making. You won't get the results that you want. It won't be Bofrot. So you must deep fry it. So as you can see, some of them will begin to flip on their own, and some won't too, so you have to use a skewer to flip it, and keep using the skewer to turn it all around so that one part doesn't get burnt. Do that till you get your preferred brownness, and this is what I'm going to go for. My bofrot is ready. It looks so yummy. I want to show you guys how it looks like on the inside. It is very soft on the inside. And that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you all so much for watching. If you are new here, you are very much welcome. Please do well to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe on your way out. And to all my subscribers, y'all know I love you so much. Bye.